At a Michelin-star restaurant, it's not about the ambiance, it's not about the service, it's not about the wine list, it's all about the food. So here we have the caprese salad. Tell me, Francesco, what makes this special?
We start with tomato from Italy, tomato datterino, basil oil, we have mozzarella sauce, we finish the dish with a light mousse of tomato water.
Wow, the basil's amazing.
Used to only buy Italian product as basil from Genoa, tomato datterino from Italy.
I was presuming that I was going to eat all the way through to the bottom of the bowl, but it's just this top, it's the amuse-bouche, yes?
On the bottom you can eat, but the tomato are just for make the dish more pretty.
That is stunning.
Dei piccoli 16 puntate per te, ok? Andiamo.
So it's a traditional Italian dish, but using a Norwegian langoustine, yeah?
It was like a salad to make with beans, onion, tuna.
Okay, well, in for a penny, in for a pound. Let's see what this tastes like. Wow, that feels like it's just been caught. It's remarkably fresh. It's a taste of the sea. I feel like I'm on a boat. And it's what's the crunch?
The crunch on top is puff quinoa.
Well, I'm going to listen to what my mother said a long time ago. If you serve something, finish the plate. And believe me, I'm going to. Okay, let's try this. Thank you very much. Wow, how interesting is that? I was expecting it to be fruitier, but it's actually got this an undertaste. I'm not sure what the taste is.
On the top it's salmon sauce.
Salmon sauce.
Salmon sauce is made with the liver of guinea fowl.
Okay. Well, I'm a convert. It's beautiful. I recommend anyone, come along, get your checkbook out, enjoy a lovely meal.